want to take a minute to talk about some functionality added to our Vicinity 4.48 release, which is the release dated September 30th, 2024. Specifically, we've added some security functionality based on use cases from customers. The scenario is the customer's got various different types of users in their environment, and they want to be able to get a little more control over what they can do while, say, in batch entry specifically, without having to implement full formula security and all that, which is a whole nother level of sophistication, but this is our base level security. So they wanted the ability to be able to keep certain users from being able to post a batch and others allowing them to post a batch. An example of that might be if you're collecting data from the shop floor and have them key it, but you want somebody to review it, a supervisor, maybe accounting, whatever your process might be. They want to review those transactions before they post. This gives the ability to allow them to enter the batch entry information, issue now specifically, but not post it. The other piece was when we post, we want the ability to control what is the post date. The post date is a marker on the system that allows you to say what date did we actually push that button. In some industries, that's a no-no. They want to be able to know the exact date and time in which it was posted. In other industries, it's not as big a deal, and they'd rather, from a reporting perspective, be able to look at things by post date rather than just transaction date. Remember, transaction date is actually going to control when it hits the general ledger and things like that. So we've added two switches to the user class setup. A user class can be found under Vicinity System, and you bring up the user class screen. I've got two classes out here. Specifically, I want us to focus on these two new checkboxes: can post batches and can edit batch post date. They're pretty simple. Just turn it on if you want a user or a group of users to be able to post batches and or change the post date. In this case, you can see I've got an admin group of users that we can assign users into this category or class, and then I've also got a production. Production, can't change the schedule, things like that, can't change quality, but you do want them to post batches. But when it posts, we don't want them to be able to change the date, as an example. I can work with those independently with each other to kind of set up the exact dynamic that I'm looking for. So this is the more basic level to set up security. It's based on a group of users. Know that we have an advanced security that does similar type of things but goes even deeper. If you want to look into that, give us a call. We're happy to walk you through that and put together some type of a project to help you implement that if that's necessary. This is one step further of allowing kind of that general security, a little more control and visibility to the operation. Anyway, by the way, I might just go ahead and show you that on post date, if I am in a user that is admin, as an admin user, so when I go to post a batch under this admin user, I have the ability, of course, to post the batch, but also I'm allowed to update the batch, the actual post date. I'll just show you what that looks like real quick. Let me pick up one here. So everything we're talking about is really in whether when we enter, say, batch usage as an example. Here's an issue now here. So we enter this quantity. I am able to post, so the post button is enabled for me in this user, but I'm also now able to change the post date because of the option that I've got set. If I was able to post but not change the post date, this would not be available to actually be grayed out, and they'd be able to hit the post button from there. Anyway, I think that's it. I hope this helps. Please let us know of anything that we can add to the application security user interface otherwise, so we're happy to add it and look forward to hearing how this helps you in the future. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.